Mama.
Hi.
What's up, brother? A little dirty. You're actually gonna film our second step in our vineyard.
Second step in the vineyard.
Yep. First one, we started our vines.
Uh-huh.
Now we're transplanting them, right, babies?
Yep.
Into pots, and we have a total of 27 brand new grapevines that hopefully take. These are all our vines for our vineyard.
Wow.
These are all greens, and these are all our reds right here.
Well, that's nice.
Of our vines. So this is our green,
Uh-huh.
and this is our red. And right now it is full of, you know what, I said the other way around. This is the green, this is the red.
These are not red.
You can see all the grapes coming out. It is full of grapes. There's so many grapes. That is gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Amazing. Very excited about this year. Hopefully it goes well. I'm very excited for this year. I'm hopeful for a very productive year. God willing.
God willing.